back on the road. And then the Maruia River opens up below. Every corner feels like a new scene, and it just keeps getting better. Then the forest changes. The trees get taller and thicker. With the river right beside us and trees closing in, the views keep stacking up. We're getting close to something we've been hearing about. Tucked out here is the elusive Tajoma Falls. If you're enjoying this adventure, tap like and hit subscribe to help us keep making videos like these. Tajoma Waterfall. Okay, well, we pulled over to this spot, little spot. We could barely see it. We actually blew past it first and then had to turn around. Wow.
Oh, this is so pretty.
Oh, the forest looks so different here.